Did you know that? Olive oil was popularly called liquid gold in the ancient world? If you are a culinary expert or are hooked to cooking shows, you must be familiar with olive oil. Most chefs today recommend its use. But did you know that this ingredient can be used to improve our health and our lives? Dear viewers, this video will show you 9 proven health benefits of olive oil. So, please stay with us and don't forget to like and share this topic. Now let's see the health benefits of olive oil. Number 1. It prevents diabetes. According to many studies, olive oil is rich in healthy fats, which can help in keeping your blood sugar under control. Using olive oil for cooking, instead of any other oils, are known to be beneficial in preventing diabetes. Number 2. Reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the number 1 cause of worldwide premature death. Extra virgin olive oil has numerous benefits for heart health. It lowers blood pressure, protects bad LDL cholesterol particles from oxidation, and improves the function of blood vessels. Number 3. It helps in weight loss. Losing weight is not easy, but if you replace your regular oil with olive oil for cooking, you can actually lose weight faster. Cook your favorite foods in it, or drizzle it over your salads to lose weight. Number 4. Can help treat rheumatoid arthritis. Olive oil can help reduce joint pain and swelling from rheumatoid arthritis. The beneficial effects are greatly increased when combined with fish oil. Number 5. Improves skin health. Olive oil contains vitamin E, which improves skin health by treating inflammation, acne, and protecting the skin from serious ailments like psoriasis and skin cancer. Number 6. It strengthens bones. Olive oil can be used to get stronger bones. If you consume olive oil, you will have high amounts of osteocalcin in your body, which can help in the formation of healthy bones. Number 7. Improves digestion. Olive oil is known to aid in the digestive process. It is used as a medicinal oil to clean the digestive tract and improve bowel movements. Number 8. Anti-cancer potential. Olive oil is said to protect the human body against cancerous growth, especially bowel cancer. Medical research done at Oxford University has shown positive signs that the acidic content of this oil can prevent the commencement of rectum and bowel cancer. One more study also confirms the same effect, and also reveals that out of all, olive oil has shown a helpful effect on breast cancer. Number 9. It can treat depression. Olive oil is one of those few foods that act as antidepressants. It can increase serotonin levels, which helps in treating depression. At the end of the day, quality olive oil is incredibly healthy. Due to its powerful antioxidants, it benefits your heart, brain, joints and more. In fact, it may be the healthiest fat on the planet. So why not you take it from today? Thanks for watching the video. Do you know any other benefits of olive oil? Please tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and share the video.